How to turn off Ask permissions on Android Play Store. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's start right into the video. To turn off Ask permissions, simply you need to head towards the settings on your Android device. Now select Apps, tap App Management. Using the search bar at top of the screen, find app Google Play Store. Open it to access App Info section. Tap Permissions and make sure to allow all app permissions. Here you can see Not Allowed section. Open it and select Allow. You need to allow all the application permissions. And once you do that, you will successfully turn off Ask permissions on Android Play Store. Also, if you don't get this way, you can head towards Settings again. Head towards Privacy, select Permission Managers, and from here you can easily select the particular one. Suppose for demo purpose, let's open location. And here you need to find out Google Play Store and select allow only while using the app. Once done, your work has successfully done. So I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.